Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rhoda and I post content around DIY, thrifts, plants, home decor and styling, and this is my first ever vlog and it's a spend a day with us kind of video, and I hope you subscribe so that you can join my growing family, and I'd love to have you here. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I really appreciate it and I love you. So spend the day with us, and I hope you enjoy this video and you watch till the end. And please do leave a comment down below and a like button, and hit the like button. Yeah, so support your girl. So now that the school have closed, we normally wake up at 8 because we usually wake up at 6 when the school is on, and now we wake up at 8. I'm so glad that we get to sleep in. I love the school holidays. Yeah, it's not as hectic as when the school is on. Yeah, so the first thing we do is let the light in to the room, and then we make the bed, because if you tackle this area in the morning, your day is set. Yeah, so we move to the kitchen, and I'm just going to start with the dishes while the tea is on the burner. And today we're going to take tea with mandazis, and I've got to do a lot of cleaning today because the whole week I've not been doing any of the cleaning, so my house is dirty, and I'll also have to do the laundry. Yeah, there's Nesta coming to say hi and to check if the breakfast is ready.
She's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's trash your baby deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's trash your baby deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's trash your baby deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now.
So our breakfast is ready at this point, and I just want to serve Nesta, and then I can go and sit and take my breakfast, because I normally take this time to just sit down and relax, and then when I start doing my housework I won't take as many breaks. Yeah, so because I know, like, when I start up to Johnny, I won't be able to sit and rest.
I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, but I can't promise you they're coming out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't.
So I've gotten into the habit of reading a chapter a day of whichever book I feel like reading that day. And on this particular day, I was reading about gratitude. This is a book called Making Sense, and I love it. I love how educative it is. It's like a story, but it's educative. I usually avoid as much as possible being on my phone at this time, because once you get into like your social medias, you'll get sidetracked and like utashtukia like it's evening and you've not done anything. So I avoid as much as possible. So did you know, like, practicing something that you want to achieve in like 21 days, it becomes a habit? Yeah, so I've been trying to be disciplined, being consistent, sticking to a routine, and it has proven to be so beneficial to me. And because nowadays I don't just wake up with no aim for the day, I wake up knowing what I need to do that day, and I just go on ticking the tasks from my to-do list, which is very satisfying and very motivating. Please, I'd love to know down in the comment section below some of the things that you do to help you to stay motivated and keep you going, especially if you're like me and you tend to freeze when you feel overwhelmed. So at this point, I'm already done with the laundry and it's time to make some lunch, and I'm opting for a very quick lunch, a very quick fix, ugali, eggs and some veggies. And at this time, Nesta has already gone to play outside with his friends, and so I have time to prepare lunch before he can come back. And if I'm lucky, I'll even get to wash the house.
You love yourself, like a magnet to a knot. Like a lighthouse on the ocean, I sail him on devotion into my thoughts. I say, have you ever loved somebody?
me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand your face.
So guys, if you have watched this far and you're not yet subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that you can join my growing family. I'd love to have you here and it will really help my channel grow. And also do let me know down in the comment section below if this is the kind of content you enjoy to watch, so that I can make more of it, or is it the DIY and thrifting and plants that I normally do.
Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you could be my number one.
So by the time I finished with the house, it was already dark outside and I could not get a video for you guys, but I finished with the house and I had to make supper, and today we are making chicken nuggets and spaghetti. The chicken nuggets I bought for 20 bob, and I find this to be very bob each, economical. And then I'll make a stew because I'll buy the, and then we can nuggets take it with rice, either rice or spaghetti, and it's a very quick fix. So guys, that's the end of today's video. If you enjoy this type of content, please let me know down in the comment section, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can join my growing family. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next video. Bye, love you.